The Shanghai Express.
Prime Minister to inaugurate Bougainville Bridge, India's longest today. Congress stages SAP Democracy Rally. Candlelight vigil held against custodial killing in Taubal. Nafis demands High Court supervised inquiry.
The People's Chronicle.
Government plans to replenish forests in valley area. Syam Kumar urges Nambasi Khulen to conserve environment Tangkhul culture. Rupees 120 crore heroin from state seized in Delhi. BJP government doing whatever they like is dictatorship, says Okram Ivobi. MSU demands government to release Kishore Chandra. Editors Guild Manipur clarifies over detention of journalists.
Imphal Free Press.
Abandoned minor girl rescue. Government inviting agitation by ignoring appeals for not revoking detention of Kishore San under NSA. Musu to boycott local delis in campus.
Manipur Mail.
Cannot tolerate humiliation of Prime Minister Modi, says Chief Minister Biren. Rural market at Nambasi Khulen. Christmas celebrations today.